Our next aspect will be the forearm drag. Forearm drag will set this cat up to where we want to bring him in and lower his level. Whether he's coming up here and putting his hands on me, go ahead and grab. Whether he grab me, I grab him back. My forearm drag, all I'm doing is taking my forearm bone, digging into his, lowering my center of gravity, and pushing him forward. It's not about strength, it's just about leverage. Bringing him down to my size. If I have a big man up here and I want to bring him down, I'm gonna bring him down so I can try to equal that playing field. Come over here. Same thing, same side, different angle. My forearm is going into his forearm. I'm wrenching his forearm. And I'm just going to bring him down. Let him be at my level. Once he's at my level, then I can start my ghetto boxing. Whatever it may be. So if I'm here, bam, bam, I can throw that hook and elbow. I can bring in the combinations attack. I can bring in the rear head fighting just to bring him down to my level. You're not going to really grab a fool and then do this. This is not that point. This is if somebody's being aggressive towards you, grabbing you, and then bringing them down. It's his aggression that's going to make him fall, not your aggression. So you have to let him be the aggressor with this forearm drag. And make sure you put that forearm in there and really rake it.
Thanks for watching our video lessons here at TRS Direct. Hit the like button down below and consider subscribing to our channel here on YouTube. Hit the bell icon and we'll send you a notification when there's a new lesson available. Thanks again for watching.